Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Facebook dating on your PC. So as you can see, I'm currently on my PC, and for Facebook dating you need the Facebook app, right? Now I know it's not directly accessible on a PC through a web browser, basically the Facebook dating, but what you can do is you can indirectly use it on a PC by either mirroring your phone screen or by using one of the softwares that basically you can search this one up. Okay, come here, download this. And once you open this app up, it actually has a Play Store. As you can see, I can install Facebook. Okay, now I can't exactly say the name due to reasons with the platform you're watching right now. Okay, it is, well, this one right here. Come here to the Play Store, open the Play Store, and download Facebook and start using it. Sign into your account. You can use Facebook dating this way. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to frequently asked questions.